Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell any kind of crypto and then receive your money into your bank account in your local currency. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. But in this video, I'm going to be using the Pi coin, the Pi token as an example. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Guys, let's get started. Guys, there are two steps to doing this. The first step is to convert the crypto to USDT. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Pi coin. So what I'm going to do now, first of all, is to convert the Pi coin to USDT. Then after that, we're going to be able to sell our USDT and then receive our money in our bank account in our local currency. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow through. So the first step you have to take now is to make sure you have the Pi token, you have the crypto in your account. So for you to find that, you have to tap on assets. Let me tap on assets. Now you can see that under the assets, I have the Pi coin right there. You can see it right there. I have 56 Pi coin. So now the next step you have to take now is to convert and sell this Pi coin to USDT. For you to do that, you have to tap on where you can see trade. You can see where it is written trade. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on trade. So guys, now this is the point where you can be able to convert your Pi token or your Pi coin to USDT. You can see where it's written SOL/USDT. You have to change that to Pi/USDT. In case you want to sell any other crypto, let's say for instance BTC, you have to select BTC/USDT. That's how it works. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys an example using the Pi coin. So what I'm going to do now is to change that cryptocurrency pair to Pi coin. So let me tap on it right away. Then the next step you have to take now is to scroll through this cryptocurrency pair and look for Pi/USDT. You can see it right there. You can see it right there, Pi/USDT. But in case you can't find it there, you can use the search icon at the top. Let me tap on the search icon. Then what you can do is to type in Pi. So let me type in Pi, P-I. Then you tap on search. You can see the Pi/USDT right there at the top. What you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it. Right there, guys, can see now the cryptocurrency pair has changed to Pi/USDT. That's the right one. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see sell. You can actually buy and sell Pi token, but for this tutorial I want to sell. So let me tap on sell. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see limit. Let me tap on limit. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on smart market. We're actually selecting smart market because we want to sell our Pi token at the current market price. So let me tap on it. You can see now smart market has been selected. Now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on amount. You can see amount right there. Amount is already selected. Then what you have to do now is to tap on amount. You have to impute the amount of Pi token or the Pi coin that you want to sell. So let me tap on amount. Then let me impute 10 Pi coin, or let me just make it 20 Pi coin. You can see now I've imputed 20 Pi coin. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on sell Pi. You can see it right there. So let me tap on sell Pi. Then the next step now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm. Wow, guys, can see all that play successfully. You can see it right there. I've been able now to sell my Pi coin. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my assets to see if I now have USDT. Remember, you actually sold your Pi coin to get USDT. So let me go over to my assets right now. Then let me refresh. Right there, guys, can now see the Pi coin that I sold now has now been converted to USDT. You can see I now have 12 USDT. You can see it right there, and my Pi balance has actually reduced. You can see it right there, and I have 36. It was about 50 something, 56, but now you can see the Pi coin has reduced to 36, while my USDT has increased in balance. It used to be 0.0 something, but now it's now 12. So guys, now you can see now I've been able now to convert my Pi coin to USDT. Now the next step now is to actually sell your USDT using the Gateio P2P trading. So I'm going to show you guys how you can sell this USDT and then receive your money into your bank account in your local currency. It's very easy. Now the first step you have to take now in order to do that is to tap on the home icon. Let me tap on the home icon. Then what you have to do next is tap on your profile icon. You can see your profile icon right there at the top left. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see assets. So let me tap on assets. Then you can see where it is written P2P. That's the P2P trading icon. So let me tap on it. Right there, guys, can see the P2P trading platform has opened up. So now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see sell. You can see sell right there at the top. So let me tap on sell. Then the next step you have to take now is to choose your currency, the currency of your country. You can see right there the Nigerian naira is selected because I'm from Nigeria, so you have to select your own. If you're from other country, you have to select your country's currency. You can tap on it. You can see that there are different currencies right here. You have to select your own currency for your country. So let me cancel out now. Now the next step you have to take now is to select the crypto that you want to sell in order to receive your money in your bank account. Remember, we converted the Pi token, the Pi coin, to USDT. So you have to select USDT as a crypto that you want to sell. You can see that USDT is already selected, but in case you want to sell any other crypto, you have to tap on it. Let me tap on USDT. You can see these are the available cryptocurrency that you can sell to receive your money in your bank account. We have BTC, USDC, Ethereum, Doge. So you can convert your Pi coin to any of these cryptocurrency right here and then sell it to receive your money in your bank account. But we sold our Pi coin to USDT, so make sure you select USDT. So let me tap on USDT. USDT have been selected. Now the next step you have to take now is to go over to where you can see amount. So let me tap on amount. What you have to do now is to impute the amount in your local currency that is worth the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Let me say, for instance, I want to sell 10 USDT. 10 USDT in my country is about let me say 15,000. So I have to impute 15,000. It's about 10,000 to 15,000. So let me impute 10,000 here. By imputing 10,000 here, I'll be able to get buyers that can do business at the level of 10,000, because you can't be able to do business with every buyer right here on this platform. Those that want to buy your USDT from you, you can't do business with all of them because they all have range, they all have limits. Some of them can sell, some of them can do business at the level of 10,000 and above, some at the level of 100,000 and above, some at the level of 200,000, even some at the level of 1 million and above. So you have to impute the level of the USDT they want to sell. So I want to sell USDT that is worth about 10,000 naira. So let me put it there. Then let me tap on confirm. Then you can see now 10,000 has been chosen. Now the next step now is to choose your payment method. So let me tap on payment method. So guys, now you can see these are all the payment methods that are here. If you want to search out any other payment method, you can tap on where you can see search. But as you can see there, all payment method has been selected. But in case you want a specific one, you can go ahead to select it. So let me tap on bank transfer because I want to receive my money in my bank transfer. So once I release my USDT, the person will be sending my money into my bank account through bank transfer. So let me tap on bank transfer. Then let me tap on confirm. Now the next step now is to filter these advertisers. Remember, these advertisers or buyers that want to buy your crypto, not all of them are actually eligible. Not all of them have their emails, phone number verified. So you have to check their eligibility, and for you to do that, you have to filter them. Not all of them have the same completion rate. So for you to filter them, you have to tap on that filter icon on the right hand side. So let me go ahead and tap on it. So you can filter those buyers right there according to eligible ads. So let me tap on eligible ads. You can filter them according to those you have traded with before. So if you want to trade with those you have actually sold your USDT to before, you can tap on traded. Those you've done business with before, you can tap on traded. And you can tap on those you're following. If you want to do business with those you're following, you can tap on it. And also if you want to do business with those who have the crown verification or the blue VIP tick, you can go ahead to select them. But I want just eligible ads. And in case you want to sort the buyers by highest to lowest volume, you can select the first option. You can see selected. Then if you want to select the buyers by completed order numbers, you can go ahead to select the second option, or by completion rate, you can go ahead to select the third option. But I want to sort the buyers according to highest to lowest price. So I want the buyers with the highest price to be at the top. I want those that I can actually make more money from. So some buyers they have different prices. Some can sell 1 USDT for 1,006, some can sell for 1,500, but I want those that sell at higher price to be at the top. That's why you can see I selected price highest to lowest as my sort by. So now let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. So guys, right here now, these buyers and advertisers that are here now has been sorted out based on what I imputed, the USDT 10,000, my payment method which is bank transfer, and then my the filter. So guys, now you can see they have been filtered now. So you can see these are the buyers that I can do business with right now. Let me use the first one as an example. You can see this person have done deals of about 4,000. You can see over 4,000 deals, and the completion rate of this person is 98%. That means this buyer has completed 98% of the deals that has been brought to him. And also you can see the completion time of this trader. It is 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes you're going to receive your money in your bank account. You can see the price here of this buyer, 1,613 naira, and you can see the price of the one down there, it is 1,627. You can see the one at the top has higher price, so I'm going to be going for that person. So there are other criteria that you can check. You can see the payment method for this person is bank transfer, and that's what I want. You can see right here, bank transfer. And also the limit of this person is from 8,000 to 321,000. You can see it right there. And also this one also is from 8,000 to about 500 and something thousand. You can scroll through to see so many prices, so many limits. Let me check here, and also you can dive deep into most of these buyers. In case you want to see more details about the buyer, just tap on their name. Let me tap on this first person right here. You can see it's loading up. You're going to see the details. You can see now this is the details of this person. You can see the email is verified, the phone number is verified, the address is verified as well. And as you can see here, the person has done over 5,000 buys, the person has done over 4,000 sales, and the person has a completion rate of 98%, which is actually cool. Let me go back now. Let me tap on this second person, the second buyer. Let me tap on it. You can see this is the details of the buyer. The email is verified, the address is also verified, and also this person has a completion rate of 100%. That means this person has completed 100% of all the deals that has been brought to him. So guys, now let me go back now. But the reason I'm actually going for this first person is because of the price. I'm going to make more money by selling my USDT if I go for the first person, but the price difference is not much. They are almost all the same, so just select the one you want. So let me go for the first person right away. So for you to do that, you have to tap on sell. Let me tap on sell. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. Now this is where you have to impute the amount of USDT that you want to sell. So what you have to do first of all is to tap on where you can see buy crypto amount. You can see it right there. Let me tap on buy crypto amount. Then what you have to do now is to impute the amount of USDT that you want to sell. So let me tap on it. Then you can see I can type in 10. You can see it right there. I've imputed 10. But in case you want to sell all your USDT, you can tap on where you can see all. You can see all right there. Let me tap on all. Now you can see all the amount of USDT that I have in my account has appeared there. So now the next step now is to choose your payment method. You can see where it is written payment method. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. But before I tap on it, you can see the amount I'm going to be receiving in my bank account. You can see it right there in my local currency. So you're going to see yours right there as well. So for 12.03 USDT I'm selling, I'm going to be receiving above 19,000 naira in my account. So let me go ahead now to tap on choose payment method. So guys, now you can see my payment method is already there. I've already linked my bank account. In case you don't know how to link your account and you've not done it, I've already made a dedicated video on how you can add the payment method, on how you can link your bank account to your Gateio account. Just go over to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the video link that will teach you how you can link your bank account to your Gateio account. Just tap on it, they'll be able to learn and watch it, and you learn how to do it. So guys, let me select my my bank account right away. Let me tap on it to select it. You can see now I've selected my bank account, so this money is going to be deposited into my bank account. So now the next step now you have to take is to tap on where you can see sell USDT. So let me tap on it right away. You can see guys, it's loading. Wow guys, can see order placed. So guys, what you have,
your order has been filled.
that voice note from the AI you heard said order placed. That means I've been able now to place my order. I can see the notification right there at the top. It says please check your order. You can see that notification right there on the right hand side. It says sell USDT to be received in, you can see the countdown time. So in the next 19 minutes 35 seconds I should receive my money in my bank account. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on it right away. You can see guys, this is the payment section. You can see awaiting payment. So what you have to do now is to wait for the buyer to send the money into your bank account. So once the person has successfully sent the money into your bank account, then you can go ahead now to release the USDT to the buyer. That's how it works. So what you have to do now is to wait patiently for the person to actually send the money. So guys, let's just wait a few seconds. And also, in case you want to chat with the buyer, you can tap on where you can see chat. You can see it right there at the top. You have to tap on chat. So let me tap on chat. So you can actually chat with the person. Maybe you can actually type in please, you can type send the money. Send the money. Then you tap on send. You can type something like make payment. You can see now the message has been sent. The person is going to receive the message and make the payment in due time. So now let me go back now. So now let's just wait. You can see that the person has sent me a message. It says kindly confirm payment and release USDT. So what I've got to do now is to go over to my email to see if the money has dropped in my bank account, because I do receive my bank notification, my bank alert through my email. So let me go back now, and you can also confirm that in your bank account, in your bank app. Go over to your bank app, go over to your bank app, confirm the transaction, go over to your transaction history and see if you have received the money. That's how it works. So guys, now let me reply this person and say okay. You can see now I've sent okay. So let me go back now to release. You can see now payment received. So guys, well, let me go over now to my email to confirm it. See the bank alert right there. You can see the UBA credit transaction. Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, can see here's the email from my bank. This is the exact amount I'm supposed to receive. And you can see this. You can see the name of the buyer on Gate.io is exactly the name of the buyer on the Gate.io app. You can see it right there. You can see the amount. I received the exact amount, 19,552. So now let me go back now to the Gate.io app to confirm and release the USDT. So what I'm going to do next now is to tick that box on the left hand side to confirm that I have received the buyer's payment of 19,572 naira. So let me tick it right away. Then let me tap on confirm. You can see right there, this is the exact amount that I received, and this is the buyer's name, which is the same on the one on my bank alert. So let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. You can see guys, it's loading. You can see success. Now you can see transaction released. Now they've released the 12.03 USDT to the buyer. So guys, this is how it works. So you must make sure that the buyer has released the money into your bank account before you release your USDT, before you tap on payment received. So guys, now this is how you can be able to sell your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency here in your Gate.io account using the P2P trading platform. So guys, I've come to the end. See you in the next upload. Bye.